Let's continue our Law of Attraction workshop. And today I want to talk to you some about understanding the Law of Attraction. And there are 5 things you need to know about the Law of Attraction. So let's move right into them quickly. Number one, we are the co creators of our world. We are the co creators of our world. Say this: I am the co creator of my world. And remember, whatever you say after I am is created, is formed, is shaped in your life. Now, a co creator means there is a creator, the creator, the great I am, but you co create along with them. Number two, we must understand that we all work with one infinite power, and that is the great I am. We are the Center for I Am, and we teach that I am is the name of God. And whatever you say after I am, you shape in your life. Now, I am is psychological, I am is practical, I am is also spiritual, because whatever you say after I am, you're releasing spiritual energy. It's practical because it works, you can practice it. And of course, it's psychological because if you say, I am weak, you're now releasing weakness. If you say, I am strong, you're going to release strength. So we work with one power, the power of I am. Number three, we, like everything else in the universe, are energy. We are energy. In fact, everything is energy. And that's the key to the law of attraction. When I saw that, that brought the scientific footings under it that I needed because I'd heard of the law of attraction. And a lot of people, when they hear of these laws, they think we're just talking about spiritual gobbledygook. But these things really work, just like we have energy in the room you're sitting in. If you're sitting in a room with electricity, that is energy. If you're driving a car, that car is burning fuel, which produces energy. If you're eating food, that food will produce energy. So we understand energy in the natural world. We need to understand it in the spiritual world. Number three, we, like everything else, is energy. Now, number four is this: we are empowered to write our own script in life. You are empowered to write your own script in life. Well, how do you do it? By your thoughts and by your words. See, what you think about, you bring about. And this is why we are to think on things that are good, because a thought is simply an unspoken word, and a word is a spoken thought. So, whatever you're thinking about, you're eventually going to speak because out of the abundance of the heart, the tongue wags. Okay, you speak. Okay, what do? You think a thought. I am prosperous. I am prosperous. I am prosperous. Then you look at your car and said, what am I doing driving this piece of junk if I am prosperous? So now that thought leads to you maybe looking cars up online or going to a dealership and even doing a test drive. Then you apply and you realize you qualify for the car, so you're driving the new car. And then if you really get into it, you get so blessed you pay the car off early. See, but it all started with the thought, and you wrote the script. That's why if you delight yourself in the great I am, he gives you the desires of your heart. So you write your script by thoughts and by words. Say after me: I think a thought, and then I speak a word. We are having a law of attraction workshop and showing you how to activate this powerful spiritual law in your life. And finally, number five, we must see the end result in our mind's eye. Now, the key to all of this, you've got to see the end. You've got to learn to live in the end. And you see the end in your mind before the end is manifested. Well, visit us on the World Wide Web at centerforim.com. And I encourage you to subscribe there and follow us. Become a part of what we call the I Am movement. Just simply go to my website, center, CENTRE, for IM.com, and put in your email address and say, I am a follower. And may the great I am expand your life until your destiny is fulfilled.